My name is Pamela Perkins Carn, and I am the coordinator for Interfaith Children's Movement. And we are a child advocacy movement, Interfaith movement based here in Atlanta, but statewide. We were founded in 2001, and one of the founding issues was child sexual exploitation and trafficking. And so since 2001, we have been engaging, educating, and raising awareness within the interfaith community, and actually the community at large, the issues that children are facing in Georgia. We work with juvenile justice, we work with education, health care, all things children. But we're very happy to see this work group on prostitution, because we know, as some of the other presenters have said, that we're seeing younger and younger children who are victimized by child sexual exploitation and or human trafficking. What we hope will result from this work group is that there will be a recognition of the 9 human risk factors based on a study that was actually headed by Stephanie Davis. And that study helped to coalesce the work that we have been doing on child sexual exploitation and trafficking. Those 9 common risk factors are not these unusual risk factors. They are educational failure, they're poverty, they're homelessness, a number of the issues that you're already working on. And so what we've done is to take those 9 risk factors and present them as ways that faith communities can engage not only in the lives of the children, but in the lives of the community in reducing those risk factors by implementing protective factors. Some of the things that faith communities have done in response to the raising of awareness and education and actually the mobilization, they've started after school programs within their communities. They've actually talked to each other, whether it was regardless of the denomination or the faith tradition, which is huge, to not try to do it all on your own. So what we've had is, Baptism, Episcopalians form an after-school program in Smyrna, and we've had other congregations to form early learning centers and do food pantries and clothes banking and just working on weekends with children. And when they don't do that on their own, what they're doing is supporting others. So we see this work group as a huge opportunity to engage in the wider community, because this issue is definitely, we do have an issue in Atlanta, but it spreads outside of Atlanta, as we all know. And the other thing that we hope will come from this work group is an opportunity for the, I know it's still active in a way, the Weed and Seed program, but it used to be far more active and far more engaged in the community. And so we hope that, and I understand the federal money, is kind of tied up, it's still in the 2012 appropriation stuff. But if there's a way of reactivating that to the level it was, I know Mayor Shirley Franklin had a big hand in making sure that that was implemented in the schools, and one of the programs was increasing the attendance in school. And so what we know is that children who are truly are more at risk of being victimized by, bisexual predators. And so we hope that that will be one of the actions that you take from this work group, just as other programs that have worked should, need to be reinstated. This one was directly involved in the school system with children, keeping kids in school. It would be a huge plus. So thank you.